Continuous R&D. Training of technical manpower. A leading company in the future. Specializing in powertrain parts. Welcome to Dongwoo Precision Co Limited. Since our company was established in 1991, we have made various achievements. Established a Technical Research Institute in 2004, selected as an excellent company by the Ministry of Employment and Labor, and obtained a Certificate of New Technology in 2017. Hyundai Construction Heavy Equipment, Doosan Infracore, Volvo Construction Heavy Equipment, Tata Daewoo Commercial Vehicle, and Zyle Daewoo Commercial Vehicles. We've been developing, producing, and supplying heavy equipment, automotive, and industrial propeller shafts in cooperation with major domestic companies. Dongwoo Precision Co Limited has a patent on the manufacturing of journal-bearing cap for propeller shaft using permanent universal joint-for-joint lubrication, hollow propeller shaft with ball bush, press method, and obtained ISO 14001, IATF 16949 certification and material certification. Heavy machinery parts include propeller shafts and axle shafts for forklifts, wheel loaders, and excavators. Automotive components include propeller shafts for large trucks and buses, torque rods, axle shafts, and single and double carton shafts for armored vehicles. Our products are supplied to each customer through import inspection, single product processing, welding, assembly, runout, unbalance, painting, final inspection, and through packaging. In the application of foolproof system of welding process, 100% inspection of runout and unbalanced process, and final inspection stage, ERP computer system is applied to produce the product that meets customers' requirements. So we are doing lot tracking and recording and managing data by each product. Our product development involves product planning and definition, product design and development verification, process design and development verification, product and process validation, production and corrective action to achieve ultimate customer satisfaction. Our solid technology is outstanding, along with systematic technology development and excellent production line. We are striving to develop technology and reduce product defect rate by integrating production and assembly line and owning separate inspection test room and laboratory. This is because we are selected for 20 years as a non-inspection supplier of a famous large company and carried out numerous government's projects. In addition, we carry out R&D research projects and monthly quality meetings, evaluation and training of outsourced suppliers, so we are striving for quality management and customer satisfaction. Exclusive technology and superior quality. A company toward the world and the future. Specialist of powertrain parts. Best partner. Dongwoo Precision Co Limited.